guys, today we will discuss how to load remote URL images to our view by using the SwiftUI code. So let's start. Firstly, we will use the AsyncImage function. Now you can see the image is fully loaded within the view. So what is AsyncImage? AsyncImage is a view in SwiftUI designed to load and display images asynchronously from a remote URL. It fetches the image in the background, which prevents blocking the main UI thread and improves performance when loading large images or images from the network. And now you also have the option to define the placeholder view to display while the image is loading and handle cases where the image fails to load. So how we can define the placeholder? Let's start. Firstly, we have to add the content. In this we will resize the image first. Now our image is fully shown within the view. Now let's start to add the placeholder value. You can also add the image object in this. For now we are using the color. You can see we can resize the frame of that image object by adding the static width and height. Go to fill. Thank you.